Alright, hobby people, it's time to rip the Rookie Explosion box, volume 10. And I'm so pumped. Can I get some first time mojo? Some first time mojo. First time, let's go. Alright, obviously, we are looking for the Acuna bat down in the 2019 Topps update. And we are looking for the gold Derek Jeter in the 93 Topps Series 1. Oh, there it is. Oh, it feels warm. Alright, let's see what we got here. The manifesto. I'm sure you guys have already read this. There's been several rips online. Alright, let's see what we get. I guess I'll go in order on the list here. We'll start with 1982 Donruss. Looking for Mr. Iron Man, Cal Ripken Jr. And we were looking for Lee Smith, but I've seen somebody pull that out of this product, so I don't know if we're gonna get that one. Alright, let's go. Oh, look at that on the back right there. Shout out to Bob Lewis. Harold freaking Baines on the back. And we got one Hall of Famer at least. Alright, Yvonne De Jesus, Terry Crowley, Dave LaRoche, Simpson, Cesar Cedeno, Jim Eisen, Scott Fletcher, Dave Steve. Oh, Ricky Henderson, nice. Oh yeah, I love Ricky. It's a little bit off-centered. But other than that, that's pretty. We'll just set that right here for right now. Is that George Brett's brother? I don't know. Have to ask Blue Jacket about that one. Oh, speaking of George Brett, there he is. Shout out to Blue Jacket 66. Mr. Pine Tar right there. And Harold Baines. So that was a pretty good pack in 1982 Donruss right there. Pretty good pack. No Cal Ripken Jr. Not bad. Alright. Let me keep this in the picture here. Alright, next up, 1986 Topps O-Pee-Chee. I was 10 years old when this came out. This is when I started ripping cards. I'm sure I opened up some of this. We used to go to a lot of card shows. Alright, no rookies in here, just looking for Hall of Famers. I'm probably looking for like Nolan Ryan. Jim Dwyer. Hoping it was Cal Ripken. There you go, Jack Morris. Oh, there we go. The only problem is, oh, the gum card. Alright, let's just set Charlie Hustle right there for a second. Alright, next up we got 93 Topps. I think I'm going to go out of order. I'm going to save this one. I'm going to save that one. Let's go right to 2010 Topps update. Looking for Mike Stanton, Giancarlo Stanton, Josh Donaldson, Lorenzo Cain, and Carlos Santana. We play everything, man. You know, we play like Santana. You know, everything. Alright. Looking for Pepino Man's guy. Mike. Big Mike. Born. Sterling Castro. That's alright. Thanks. Kenley Jansen, rookie. Oh, that's pretty sweet. I'm a Dodger fan, so that's nice. Oh, that's awesome. I'll call that a hit. Alright. Josh Johnson. Alex Rodriguez. Another one of Pepino's guys. John Lackey. Ozzie Smith. Vintage Legends. I've never ripped this, so I don't know what that is. But the Wizard's always good to get. And I don't know what this is. Miggy Cabrera. Shout out to Triple Crown 24. If you don't have this and you want it, man, it's yours. Totally. Cabrera. For real, hit me up if you want that. I don't know what that is. It's got a code on it of some sort. Alright, so far, so good. Next, 2015 Topps update. Chris Bryant. Alright, so here's a stupid stat of the day, or a stupid fact of the day. This guy went to my high school right here in Las Vegas, Bonanza High School. At the same time, my brother and sister possibly went there. I don't know, I have to look into that. And Chris Bryant, just for the record, is a lot more likable than Bryce Harper, who's also from Las Vegas. But I'm sure if you're a baseball fan, you know that already. Alright, here's one of my favorite Dodgers ever, Matt Kemp, but he's in a Padres jersey. Got a rookie there, Papelbon. Matt Duffy, Future Stars. Was that gold? Not numbered. Hall of Famer Mike Messina. Joey Butler, Madison Bumgarner, the Nemesis, Salvador Perez, Frank Morales. All right, next up, 2016 Bowman. Now, I don't know if I can pull Will Smith first Bowman. I don't know. It's not on here because he's not a huge name. But I'm looking for Vlad, Fernando Tatis, Bregman, Juan Moncada, Victor Robles, Wilson Contreras, Paul DeJong, Trey Mancini, Mike Clevenger, Chrome Autos of Bregman, Moncada, Robles, Wilson Contreras, Paul DeJong, Tyler O'Neill. Here we got one of my least favorite Dodgers of all time, Adrian Gonzalez, who, when he was a Dodger and they were in the World Series, decided he was going to go on vacation to Mexico instead of being with his team. Total scumbag move, if you ask me. Teach his own. Oh, here's Ichiro, Hall of Famer. Definitely Hall of Famer, first ballot. Love Ichiro. Zach Greinke, who is pitching tonight for the Astros against the Yankees in the Bronx. The wind's blowing out to right. I think Greinke's going to have a rough night tonight. All right, Courtney Hawkins. Not sure about this guy, but it's the Chrome. Corey Black. There's a first Bowman of Rudy Guerin. Great Bird rookie. Mark something or other. Daniel Robertson and Nelson Cruz. All right, so nothing too crazy in there. 2016 Topps Chrome. Kenta Maeda, who should have been in the game instead of Joe Kelly. I don't want to talk about that. Select night any game. Alright. Doesn't withdraw yet. Giancarlo Stanton, a few packs late. Andrew McCutcheon. It's a pretty cool looking card. And it's Mr. Strikeout himself, Steven Strasburg. Headed to the World Series. Next up, 2018 Retail Chrome. We're looking for Acuna, Ohtani, Glaber Day, Rafael Devers, Harvey Albies, my boy Walker Buehler, Victor Robles, Rhys Hoskins. Billy Hamilton, Kenley Jansen, Hunter Renfroe, and Jose Altuve. Alright, now you got a rookie in there. Oh, next up, 2018 Heritage High Number. I'm going to wait on that one too. So we will go back to 1983 Topps. Very gentle with this stuff. This stuff is just... I'm scared. Alright. Let's see here. Let's do this. Kenny Lofton. Cup card. Jody Reed. Mike Maddox. Greg Maddox's brother. I got to bowl with him. And his brother, Greg. Here in Vegas when I was little. Mickey Templeton. Travis Freimengold. Somebody I've heard of. Let's blow through these. Oh, the wrong draft pick card. Oh, my favorite player growing up, Mike Scioscia. I was a catcher. I just loved his toughness. Alright. Next up, let's rip 2019 Heritage Minor League, because I've never ripped this. We're looking for Wander Franco, Julio Rodriguez, Joey Bart, Seth Beer, Jordan Alvarez, Luis Robert, Tim Tebow, Jordan Adams. I see some color. I don't know what that means. Kyle Muller. It's a White Sox. Oh, I pulled an auto. Number to 99. Ryland Bannon. I've never pulled a Heritage auto before. That will be 46 of 99. And that's pretty clean. I'm gonna have to look him up. That's pretty cool. All right, sweet. We got a hit out of this box. Michael King. All right, that was exciting. Maybe I should have saved that pack for last and hit it with a boom. Okay. I'm gonna rip some 2018 Heritage High Number. We're looking for variations, really, of Acuna, Shohei, Soto. Glaber's in here. I think you could pull a numbered card. Alright, Alex Blandino. Billy McKinney. Oh, I got some shiny in here. Is Drupal Cabrera. Lucas Duda. Not numbered. Garrett Cole, who's on fire right now. Nothing too crazy in there. I do have an Acuna variation from there coming back from PSA. That Hard R Cards, Dan over at Hard R Cards, pulled out of a box for me. I was in a break and I had the Braves. And he was gracious enough to send it off to PSA in a bulk order with he send it with? I'm drawing a blank. It'll come back to me. All right, we're looking for the Acuna bat down card right now. I'll scream if it comes out. Joey Lucchesi. Nope, it's not meant to be yet. That's okay. All right, last up. Something I've ripped a lot of this year. I'm very fond of it. Top Series 2. Looking for Vlad, Pete Alonso, Eloy Jimenez. Who else are we looking for? Oh, and we're looking for Fernando Tatis. Striker breaks his boy. Duh. All right, Kevin Newman. He's a nice prospect. We got Willie Adames Cup cards everywhere. Minnesota Twins Stadium card. White Sox. Oh my goodness, I got another auto. Wow. I got another auto. Harrison Bader. Sticker auto. Oh, it's numbered 13 of 50. Wow. Philmington, this box really did explode. That's insanity. 2 autos to go with this bad boy that I pulled last night that I still can't believe. This is the sickest patch auto I've ever pulled. But I would say the Rookie Explosion box volume 10 was a huge success. Amazing product. Thank you to Philmington. I can't wait for the next one. Check him out. Get a hold of these if you can. And keep collecting, keep ripping, and love the hobby. Peace.